View new homes. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Welcome to the enchanting Babbling Brook Farm, a place where tranquility meets comfort. As you step onto this property, you'll be greeted by the soothing sounds of the brook, creating a magical and serene atmosphere that permeates every corner of this haven. Our tour begins with the grand sunken living room, fondly referred to as the greenhouse. The expansive triple-pane windows on the first floor flood the room with natural light, creating a warm and inviting space. Here, you can enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning as the sun rises, or unwind with a good book in the evening. Upstairs, the second-floor loft bedroom, featuring double-pane windows, offers a panoramic view of the property. It's the perfect place to start your day, watching the sunrise, or end your day, gazing at the stars. Next, we move to the den, which doubles as a dining room. This space features a cozy wood stove that adds a touch of rustic charm. It's the perfect spot for family dinners, game nights, or simply enjoying a quiet evening by the fire. Adjacent to this is a tidy galley kitchen, where you can explore your culinary skills. From preparing a quick breakfast to cooking a gourmet dinner, this kitchen has everything you need. A full bath and a bedroom are also conveniently located on the same floor for ease and comfort. Stepping outside, a large 30-foot by 10-foot deck on the east side of the house offers a peaceful retreat. Overlooking the brook, lawn, and gardens, it's a charming place to relax, have a barbecue, or host a gathering with friends and family. This property is not just a home, but also a potential hobby farm with its multiple sources of heat, extra outbuildings including a garage, a chicken coop, and endless amounts of fresh water for trout fishing. Imagine spending your weekends fishing by the brook or tending to your chickens. The home is lovingly landscaped with perennials, a full vegetable garden, an apple and pear orchard, and a newly built 20-foot by 30-foot barn for your farm animals and equipment. You can spend your days gardening, picking fresh fruits from your orchard, or taking care of your farm animals. Located in Charlotte, a small, rural community with nearby lakes and streams, you're never far from nature. Priced at $259,900 by the time of recording this video, Babbling Brook Farm offers a unique blend of comfort, charm, and convenience. It's more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Welcome to your dream home. Let's check out more scenic views of this beautiful property. If you would like to know more about this home, please click on the link in the description under Property Link.